Real quick before we jump into the video, you are important. I need you to watch this video from beginning to the end. We running up the numbers, we gotta get them on up there. We doing this as a team, it's a family, it's the game. You're doing me a favor and you're doing you a favor, so we can keep delivering this great content right to your screen, baby, from beginning to the end. Let's go. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today I wanna show you real fast how to make this delicious chicken Parmesan. It ain't gonna take long. It's gonna be flavorification, crispification. You know how we do. This is another episode, Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. 47. Let's go, baby. All my JPC gang members, welcome back. But if this is your first time tuning in, go on down there and subscribe, because you in for a treat, baby. One big ass chicken breast, all right? It's too big to make this chicken palm with, so typically it's about, I'm gonna say about a half an inch thick. So we're gonna come straight down the middle of this chicken breast and halving it, just like that. Now we got two. This is still a little too thick. This is just so it won't rip. Take your mallet or whatever you have. Right now I got a mallet. If you got a bottle, a bat, whatever you need. Olive oil, down. Try to get it to about a half an inch thick. There's two reasons we do that. One, shorten the cooking time. Two, so everything can cook evenly. You know, you got one side super dry and the other side is we can't have that. All right, there we go. Two chicken breasts about a quarter inch. We gotta season them up. You know we coming with the flavorification, baby. Look, we going down with the magic dust. Big shout out to all of the JPC gang members that's out there using the magic dust, man. Make sure you go down in the comment and let these people know what they missing out on. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. We going down with some S.P.G, salt, pepper, and garlic. You don't want no bland chicken breast. You make sure you season your breast on both sides. Breading station, vital part of this dish. Without this, it ain't working. We got some AP flour, about a cup of AP flour, quarter cup of cornstarch. Down into that, we just want to get some S.P.G, salt, pepper, and garlic. Throw you about a tablespoon in there. Here, we got a couple eggs, huevos, 2 eggs. Hold the shells. No shells in our stuff, JPC gang. Beat them up real quick. Egg wash, done. We got some breadcrumbs. Use your favorite breadcrumbs. We got some panko breadcrumbs here. 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese in there. That's a tablespoon of parsley. Go in there with some garlic salt, about a teaspoon of garlic salt. Give it a whisk. That's what's gonna be on the outside of this chicken. Gonna give it the crispification. Real quick, gang, we gotta bread up the chicken. Pay attention. We gonna go quick. Get it down into the AP flour. Get it dredged real good. The AP flour is gonna help this egg wash stick to this chicken. Down into the egg wash. Knock out the excess down into the breadcrumbs. Once you get it down into these breadcrumbs, you wanna make sure you're giving it a good press. The big crispification guaranteed on this one. Second one breaded with the big crispification. Let it sit for a while, maybe about 3 or 4 minutes, 5 minutes top. When you throw it in that oil, you don't want all your breading to fall off. It won't just crumble up on you. I'm gonna show you how to fry it up and get that ooey gooey up top. Let's go, baby. Before we fry this chicken up, I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce, because we're gonna need the sauce to go over the chicken and create that ooey gooey. But watch this. We got a saucepan, a medium saucepan here. Teaspoon of olive oil down in this pan. Tablespoon of minced garlic. Medium to low heat, you don't wanna burn your garlic. Half a teaspoon of oregano. Cup of marinara sauce. Use your favorite marinara sauce. I'll leave the recipe to this one down in the description. Teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of S.P.G, teaspoon of magic dust, teaspoon of red pepper flakes. That's optional, but trust me, that's one you want to opt in for. Give you that nice little back end heat. We got our sauce for our chicken parm. We gotta taste it. Come here. Mamma mia, delicioso. Let's set it aside and get this chicken fried, baby. Let's fry some chicken, baby. GBD, golden brown and delicious is what we looking for on this. We got that oil to about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't touch it. About 2 or 3 minutes on each side. You don't want to overcook your chicken, so that's why it's not gonna take that long in this grease. 2 or 3 minutes on each side, or till this crust becomes golden brown and delicious, because we still have to get it in the oven. We're gonna put a little sauce over. Now, if you want to fry it all the way through, give it about 4 or 5 minutes on each side, or cook it internally to about 165 or 160. It's almost perfect. Let's give it a flip. You know we got the crispification up there, baby. It still got the crispification out here. It's juicy. We're going right in with the other piece of chicken, and I always lay away from you just in case you get a splash. You don't want it to splash you, baby.
Where does Italian food rank on your list of favorites?
For me, my category is gonna go barbecue. It's gonna go barbecue, Mexican food, soul food, then Italian food. Give me some ribs or some brisket.
What does it pair well with?
This dish pairs well with anything. You can go down with some garlic mashed potatoes or some type of cheesy Alfredo pasta. If I'm going all the way. Bring me some fettuccine noodles with some Alfredo sauce with this immaculate chicken breast. If you're a rice person, go rice. But today, we just showing you how to GBD, golden brown and delicious. That's what we got to get the game. You know, come on, man, fried chicken. Yeah, how can you go wrong? This is how we have it. This is how it's traditionally served. 1 layer of the gravy, sauce, or whatever you want to call it. I got some Italian friends, they call it gravy. And we want to go straight down with our gravy, baby. Don't drown it with the sauce. Just put enough down to where it's gonna put the gravy on the chicken. That's perfecto for us. These people not sponsoring me, but this is one of my favorites. Pre-sliced for you, whole milk, fresh mozzarella. Got to check this one out, or just use your favorite mozzarella. Easy open. Simplicity is key today. It's already sliced. 1, 2. On that one, I think 2 is enough. One thing that I have learned about chicken parm, no 2 are alike. You might get one shaped like Texas, you might get one shaped like Georgia. You might get one shaped like Italy. We going in the oven, 350. Until this is gooey, ooey, brown, melty. So let's give it about, we're gonna start out with about 5 minutes and check it from there. Hi JPC gang, look at this baby. Ooey gooey up top, it made a lovely, lovelification. Puddle of mozzarella. You know it's juicy on the inside. Let's plate it up. One right there. One for you and one for you. Mamma mia. This is chicken parm, the JPC gang way. We threw it in the oven on 350 preheated for about 5 minutes. And we wanted to go a total time, probably about 7 to 8 minutes. The last 3 or 4 minutes, threw it up under a high broiler. And that's gonna give you that lovely melt with the mozzarella. Parsley going right up top. Dinner, lunch, brunch, it's served. Y'all know what time it is, JPC gang. It's time to try it out, baby, let's go. We're gonna go for this one right here. So right down the middle. Look at that chicken, man. The chicken is juicy. The cheese is ooey gooey. You know this finna be delicious. A perfect bite right there. Come on. Mamma mia! Muy delicioso. This is a must-try JPC gang. Crispification on the outside. Creamification with the cheese. Flavorification running all through the chicken. And it still got the juicification. Stop playing. And that's education for today. Get you a bite. Get you a bite. I appreciate you for tuning in today. I appreciate you for watching. I love you for watching. Make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And ring the bell, cause we always jamming and cooking. Right here with your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Until next time, peace and love. Chicken parm love.